Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel One to Step. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your username on Spotify. So there are two types of username on Spotify. The one which you cannot change and the other is also called the display name which you can change, alright? So let me first show you the first username which you cannot change. It's the name given to you. It's like a set of random words. You can also say it code like given to you when you created a Spotify account and you cannot change it, alright? Spotify has not brought any update for you to change it. So let me show you the first one. So to view it, you want to go to spotify.com. Once you come in spotify.com, you want to log in into your account. After logging into your account, you want to click on profile and click on account. So as you guys can see, the username over here, which I cannot change, all right? So this is a set of word and numbers. It's also like a code. This is the username which I cannot change. It is given to you when you created your account, all right? And you cannot change it. So yeah, that's one which you cannot change, and the other one which you can change is, let me show you. But before I show you that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on now. So the other username which I'm talking about is this one over here. This is also called display name. So to change it, I can just click on it, click on profile. Once I'm in my profile, I can click on my name over here which says Bitchy. I can click on it and change it. So let's say I want my name, I want this. I can click on save, and then my name is saved and it has changed. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change this name. So this is the only name which is changeable. And the username which I showed you at the first, nobody can see it except me, but the name which is shown over here, my friends are gonna know me by this name, alright? You can also say this is an actual username. So it's that. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. And yeah, if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.